Mukhang mapapalaban po kayo sa takbo dito sa takbo para sa West Philippine Sea this upcoming July 27. Pang-apat na leg na po ito, no? What made you decide to continue it this year? And what is the goal of the run?
Well, the objective of the Takbo para sa West Philippine Sea is to make the Filipino aware again of our fight in the West Philippine Sea, and also to get the support of the Filipino people. May mga ordinaryong tao nagtatanong paano sila makakapagpakita ng suporta sa ating Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Coast Guard. And I think that is very simple. No, you just have to join the run and let us show the world how united we are in standing up against bullies like the People's Republic of China. And most importantly, yung proceeds nitong takbo para sa West Philippine Sea will also be used, no, for the publication ng ating comic book that we are distributing sa public schools for them to have information about our fight in the West Philippines.
Yun ang yung gusto ko itanong, ano, ito yung ang progress ng comic book kasi doon, nabasa ko nga ho yun, very specific yung pagpapaliwanag at talagang nilalaymanize niya yung sitwasyon dito sa West Philippine Sea, ano nga ba yung continental shelf, ano yung territorial sea, EEZ, etc. etc. Has the Department of Education contacted you for an official publication of yun nga po yung learning materials because there is a House bill filed on making education about the West Philippine Sea mandatory for students. Meron na po bang mga ganong usapin sa actual publication ng mga books o textbooks o literary pieces?
Well, during the launching of the comic book project last year, no, we invited Secretary Angara together with the National Security Advisor, Secretary Anyo, no, and he was very supportive of the idea. As a matter of fact, I think through the National Security Council, they are discussing with DepEd the possibility of curriculum adjustment, particularly when it comes to the West Philippine Sea, UNCLOS, and of course the historical basis of our position. So yeah, Secretary Angara is very supportive of including WPS lessons, no, sa ating mga kabataang Pilipino.
Pero ano po yung pa sa inyong pag-iikot po, ano po yung sa tingin yung needs improvement pagdating sa pag-iintindi dito sa sitwasyon sa West Philippine Sea? Pag nakakausap niyo po ang ordinaryong Pilipino.
Alam mo, Gretch, nakapunta na ako ng different major universities, no, dito sa Pilipinas, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ang pinaka-unang tanong na binabato ko sa mga college students natin ay saan ang West Philippine Sea. And you will be surprised. No? Siguro mga 4 out of 5 na mga estudyante cannot even explain to you where the West Philippine Sea is. And then the second question is, what is the difference between West Philippine Sea and South China Sea? Majority of the students cannot also tell the difference between the two. Etong basic lang na to, ang itanong natin sa kanila, hindi pa nila masagot. And then the third question that I always ask is, bilang kabataang Pilipino, naniniwala ka bang ang West Philippine Sea ay contested? Unfortunately, and very sadly, no, ang sagot ng 8 out of 10 na kabataang Pilipino ay yes, contested daw ito. That's why we have to make effort, no, double our efforts to make sure na ang may sasagot na ng kabataang Pilipino ay hindi ito contested dahil as far as the Philippines is concerned, this belongs to the Filipino.
And lastly, invite niyo po ang ating mga manonood to join the takbo para sa West Philippine Sea.
Well, Gretchen, una sa lahat, ikaw ang ini-invite ko, no? Mag-join ka ng takbo. Pag nag-join ka, mas maraming mag-register, no? So let me take this opportunity to invite everybody. This is the way that we can show to our bully neighbor that we are actually united for one cause, and that is to stand firm and to make sure that we're not going to surrender a square inch of our territory to any foreign power. Ang kikitain po ng takbo na ito ay gagamitin po ng ating National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea for the publication of comic book This is an information material that we're distributing to public schools para po maintindihan ng ating kabataang Pilipino ang ipinaglalaban natin sa West Philippines.
Ilang
Maraming salamat.
kilometers po? Ilang kilometers?
3 kilometers, 5 and 10. Sa grandstand ito sa Quirino Grandstand natin ito gaganapin.
Of course, that's July 27 on a Sunday. All right, maraming salamat. How do they sign up? Last na.
Nasa nasa website siya at sa social media platform ng Run Rio.
All right.